here's how you can change the order of products on your Shopify store. Before we begin, if you want to get the best deal for Shopify, make sure you check out the pinned comment. And now we can begin. First, you want to go into products, and then you have your products here, and you want to go and create a collection. So you want to click on collections, and you want to create a collection. So I'm going to add a collection. I'm going to call it something like photography, just as an example, and then you want to click on save. All right, so once you save this, then you will add the products which you have. So for example, I'm gonna do album. I have this one added. So you just want to add the products which you want reordered, and also I have photos here. All right, so we have added these two products to our collection. So we have it right here, and all we have to do is click on the collection itself. Where it says sort, you want to change this to manually, and here you can change the order of your items. So as you can see, we have photos. We can move this to the top and album to the top, and you can rearrange them. That is how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.